dingen. Oh my god.
On our way to rehearsal, Jamal. I thought you were dealing with some sort of lion family drama.
Hey, I need a favor, right? What's that? Look, everybody's wondering who we are, so can y'all just hop on stage with me?
Wow.
Look, I would never even ask, but my family's whole future is together.
What, so you want me to risk
Alright, fine. Let's do it. But you owe us, man. I definitely owe you.
53,8. Dat is goed toch?